Hello, my name is TJ Bennett, and this is my video resume. I graduated high school in 2007. In 2009, I received my associate's degree in graphic design and animation from Anthem College. From 2007 to 2017, I worked as a retail sales consultant for AT&T in Arizona, Texas, and California. In 2014, I obtained the Oculus Rift DK2 with very little programming knowledge but a strong sense of Googling. This is where I began my journey as a self-taught developer. I wanted to propose to my wife, and after a few Unity YouTube videos, I created a VR date maze. This included pictures, videos of us, and our favorite things. From 2014 to 2016, I trained to develop strong skills in these areas. A notable project to mention is a Windows Phone application called Life Threads. I built this life organizer app that uses images to help motivate a life focus. In 2016, a friend and I co-founded a company called Practical VR. We did attend the San Francisco startup conference called Launch, where we presented and won the Lincoln Award. We dove deep into Microsoft's low-level spatial mapping C++ libraries and extended the spatial understanding capabilities. This includes generating a point cloud of a mapped room and persisting that data so a user would only have to map their space once instead of on every launch. In 2018, I started working as a contractor for a crypto company called Alaris. My first task was to create a Unity plugin that enabled developers to create an in-game economy based on a cryptocurrency. I also created 2 VR games for Alaris. The first is called Alaris Battles. This is a survivor shooter where waves of enemies would emerge and you would have to survive as long as you could. Features in the game include global leaderboards, multiplayer, and spectator platforms where spectators could join a match and even donate keys to help progression. The second game is called Check the Mail, a game where you start off at your mailbox, your home security turns on, and you have to fight your way back to your house. At the start of 2020, I was tasked to create a cross-platform application called Block Suite. In August, I began to create a HoloLens 2 companion app called Block Suite AR. This application allows users to create AR panels in front of their mining racks. These panels would display a virtual rack, identifying which miners were troubled, and users could interface with these miners, which included creating service tickets. This concludes my resume. I offer consulting if you or your company needs insights in the various topics that I've covered. Also, if you see a fit for me on your team, I would love to talk. It's worth mentioning that I'm capable of being a full-stack developer if you'd like to task me to bring your idea to life. You can reach me at tjvrdev@outlook.com, and thank you for watching.